and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable two-factor verification in Zoom. How to enable two-factor verification in Zoom. So let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is head over to zoom.us in the website, or if you already have the app, simply sign in. And then from the home menu is exactly where we are. By the left hand, and over to the left, this is left, and then you click on profile. Next, you scroll down until you see this two-factor authentication under sign in, and then you can see it's turned off. So move to the extreme right and click on turn on. Now you have to enter your password and then you click on next. Using two-factor authentication or turning it on means that you can use any app that supports time-based one-time password protocol. Time-based one-time password protocol (TOTP), including Google Authenticator for your Android or iPhone and the Authenticator for Windows Phone 7. So you enter your password to turn on the two-factor authentication. Mine is already entered in. So next, tap on next, and that's it. Two-factor authentication is turned on, but I've not configured the app yet. So the next thing I have to do is to configure the app by clicking on setup. Now we want to set it up. Enter your password, set up the secure app. So the password is in. Tap on next. Now you have to scan the QR code below to register for an account on Authenticator app of your choice. Okay, we need to scan it. So after scanning it, you click on next, and then you enter the code entered by your authentication app, and then you follow the prompts, you verify it that way, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to turn on two-factor authenticator in Zoom. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.